Hello everyone and welcome to another WebFlow tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to install Google Analytics in WebFlow. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all we have to do is to come here to our WebFlow website. Then we're going to go on the top left hand side and we're going to go to site settings. Once we go to site settings, we're going to go to apps and integrations from the left hand side, and right here you're going to see Google Tag IDs. So here we need to insert the Google Tag ID. Where are we going to find this one? We're going to go to our Google Analytics. You are going to access your Google Analytics account and you are going to go to admin. Once you go to admin, you are going to click on data streams right here. And here you're going to click on your data stream and you are going to copy the measurement ID right here. So you're going to copy the measurement ID, you're going to go back to your WebFlow settings, you are going to paste the measurement ID right here in this box, and you are going to write here, for example, GA4, and that's it. From there, you're going to save, and that's exactly how you can install Google Analytics in a WebFlow website. So one more time, you're going to go to site settings, apps and integrations. You're going to find Google Tag IDs right in the top. Then you're going to go to Google Analytics. You're going to go to admin. Once you come to admin, you're going to click on data streams. You're going to select your data stream, copy your measurement ID. Then you're going to come back here. You're going to paste your measurement ID right here in this box. You're going to say this is GA4. You're just going to label it and you're going to save. So that's it. That's how easy it is to set up Google Analytics in a WebFlow website. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.